Namaskar, Kolomkha. I would like to welcome all of you to a very important event that we're going to have tomorrow, that is on the 18th and also on the 19th of August 2025. The program will start at 11 a.m. tomorrow and it will go on. It's open to the public. We are going to commemorate and honor our Maharaja, that is Maharaja Bikram of Tripura. It's his 117th birthday. So I would like all of you to come and see this exhibition, which is going to be held at Manikyani Enclave. And I'm sure you're going to learn a lot from this exhibition, because we're going to have a photographic exhibition depicting his life and his contributions to the state and to his people. Besides that, we have a very important event as well, which is the release of a special postal cover, which will be done for the first time on Maharaja's birthday, and it will be released tomorrow itself by the Postmaster General. And so I would like all of you to be a part of this wonderful occasion, this joyous occasion. And so once again, please do not miss out on this opportunity. There'll be lots to see, an exhibition, also a food stall, and sale of souvenirs and books on Maharaja. Thank you very much.